Welcome to the 5th tutorial in the InterMine Python tutorial series. This tutorial will talk about dealing with the results of our query. You can either store the results into a file using a library like CSV, or you can process the results immediately after you extracted them. Now, we write a short query for genes and add all views for publications associated with that gene, then explore the results. Here, we constrain the query to show the gene then in fruit flies. Once we have added our constraints and views, we are ready to look at the results. The results can be accessed in either a dictionary form, or a list, or result row object, or a list of strings, CSV or TSV. Here we can see the output. And here we print all the genes. You may have wondered what the difference was. And actually, iterating through query.results, we set rows equals to RR here. And iterating through query.rows are equivalent. Feel free to use whichever you feel comfortable with. Let's say you want to extract column 2 and 3 in this example. We use the command print gene1, gene2 here, and we can see the output. If you want to print only those rows where publications.doi is not null, then we can add an if condition as shown below. We use the command if row 1 not equals to null here to achieve this goal. Then we can see the output. You can pass two more parameters, start and size, while passing query.results. Start represents the row number that you want to start processing from. By default, this is set to 0, the first row. Size represents the number of rows that you want to print. Let's say we want to print row 10 and 11 only. So here we set size equals to 2 and start equals to 10. We can see the output is only 2 rows. If you prefer dealing with lists of strings, for example CSV and TSV objects, you can use them too. First, we need to import the CSV library. Then, we create a CSV reader object. This has been shown below. Query.results, row equals to CSV, means that this object reads query.results. Delimiter refers to the character used to separate values of fields in the CSV file. Here we set the character to comma. Code char refers to the single character string that will be used to code values. If special characters like delimiter appears inside the field. Here, this single character is code. Here we print the first row, row 0. We can see the output. The last thing that we'll look at in this tutorial is the summarize method. This method is useful when we want some basic statistics regarding a particular column. Here, we look at the statistics of the length of genes present in the list of the most enriched genes in the adult fly breed. First, we create a query. Then we add views to show the gene and organism for each gene, and constrain the query to be in the list called PL Fly Atlas Brain Top. We then print out the first 10 rows of results. we can look at the summary of the length of each gene. This contains some useful information such as the average length and the maximum and minimum length. We can see the output. Also, we can print gene's ID. In the next tutorial, we will focus on further management of results. Thank you for watching.